another video on lemon possets, and I had an idea, and it's that time of year when people get colds, and everyone's kind of drinking honey and lemon water, and I was kind of thinking, that's kind of quite interesting. Can we make a honey and lemon posset? So it's substituting the sugar for the honey. So I've kind of done a quick calculation and looked at a few things. So in here we have got 600 milliliters of double cream, and it's been simmering for 5 minutes. I think the time is just about to go off, or maybe it's already gone off. So we've got 600 milliliters of double cream in there, and then for 600 milliliters of double cream, we need about 2 lemon, well, just over 2 kind of decent sized lemons. So maybe they were slightly larger. So there's about 120 milliliters worth of lemon juice and the zest from that as well. And it should be 150 grams worth of sugar that we put in. But honey's a little bit different, so we use slightly less honey. So we're going to put in 115 grams worth of honey. And I've just melted it in the microwave just so it mixes in a little bit easier and comes out of that milk pot. So stir that in, see what happens. Something different happened there, didn't it? With the honey. Did that split the... And it slightly just looked like it thickened up there. Let's just have a quick taste of that. That's kind of quite interesting, isn't it? Turn the temperature off. It sweetened it. I don't know if it's sweet enough, but anyway, so the temperature's off. So now we can put in the juice and zest of the lemon. And then this is also a video on, I've just sterilised the jars instead of sterilised in some water rather than in the oven. So jars should be okay. So we'll just, I'm curious about sterilising as well. I've made another video. So, and lemon juice in. So I'm curious about, do I have to sterilise the jars in the oven, or can I just sterilise them quickly in some boiling water, and will that kind of work as well? So leave that stand for a little bit, which will just give me enough time to rinse out one of those pots, and then that can be the taster for tomorrow. We just need to get rid of the uncooked cream out of that, because it will affect the flavour. So we can just give it a quick wash and a quick rinse, and that will be sufficient. And I promised a couple of friends some possets, so I need a couple of possets for them, and then I want a posset for the fridge, and then we've got a little bit of a taster, which that's what we'll taste tomorrow. So those are kind of still hot. That looks like it's fine. Pour it into a sterile jug, which is just off camera. Get rid of the, I need the whisk. Put the whisk in, but I just need a spatula. So I seem to do things and then have more thoughts about them. So I go through stages of things I want to try and kind of almost exhaust everything within that process. So into the jars. Top that up, but we're going to afford to be a little bit more generous with those, and then the rest into there. I'm just going to taste a little bit of that. I'll just get a spoon and I'll taste some of that. We'll get the lids on quickly, and hopefully they'll just naturally seal. That one. That one, they should be all hot enough and sterile enough to complete seal overnight. So Let's have a taste of this. I think it needed more honey in it. Yeah. It needs more honey in it. But we'll taste it tomorrow. The cream will lessen the acidity of the what we call it, of the honey will lessen, the honey and the cream will lessen the acidity of the lemon juice and the zest overnight. So we'll kind of see how that tastes in the morning. They'll seal themselves, fingers crossed, and that'll just taste a little bit nicer in the morning. So we'll let those cool, and then we'll try see what they're like in the morning. Let's have a taste. So it's worked. They have sealed themselves. So putting them just in hot water rather than having to heat them in the oven certainly works with sealing those. So 2 are going to go to friends. I'm going to keep 1 in the fridge to kind of see how long it lasts. I'll write the date on that, just as a long-term experiment. This one we'll eat. We'll see how it is. I don't think there's enough honey in it. I think if you're going to put 150 grams worth of sugar into a lemon posset, I think you need to put 150 grams worth of honey, not the 115 grams. Who would have guessed the internet was wrong? But I haven't tasted yet. I'm accusing the internet of being wrong. But anyway, it's set nice. It's got a nice consistency. Yeah, I think it needs that. It just needs that bit more honey. You can't really taste the honey, and it needs to be a little sweeter. So, however, I did think of something else I wanted to try as well. So there will be another lemon posset video soon when I want to make one. I don't want to. I'm eating lemon possets at the moment every 4 days, so I don't really want to be making too many more of them. But we'll have another go, and we'll see if we can get the honey bit right. I think about 150 grams. Yeah, it's nice. It's just a bit too sharp when it wants to be a little sweeter than that. But anyway, is this a failed video? Probably a little bit, but we live and learn, don't we?